Here's a pair of the JLab Go Air Pop earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Amazon Fire TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds into pairing mode, okay? So let me go ahead and take these out of the case. And then as soon as you take it out of the case, you'll know if it's in pairing mode if one of these is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. So give it a few seconds and then wait, and then see if you get any lights on there. So I'm not getting a blue, white, blue, white, blue, white on one of the earbuds. I mean, none of the earbuds. There's only supposed to be one earbud to indicate it's in pairing mode. But I'm not getting no blue, white because I'm connected to a different device here. I'm actually connected to my iPhone here, so I have to go to my Bluetooth here. And you can see that the JLab Go AirPod is connected. I'm just going to go ahead and turn off Bluetooth, okay? And as soon as I turn it off, look at the earbuds. Look at the earbuds. Now look. So now one of them is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and go to the TV. And you want to go to the settings. You can click on the home button on the remote, go to the home page, and then navigate to the settings, the gear icon. So just go all the way over, right there. And then from here, just go down. We're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. Okay on the remote. We're going to go down to other Bluetooth devices right there. Okay on the remote. Add Bluetooth devices. Okay that. And now it's searching for Bluetooth devices, okay? Okay, so the first time it came on, it didn't pop on, so I just pressed cancel, and then I pressed add Bluetooth devices again, and then it popped up. So it didn't show up now, let me just cancel it, and then I'm gonna add it again. Oh, I guess I gotta wait again. There we go. So it finally popped back up here. The JLab Go Air Pop, give it one moment here. It says device connected right there, and we are currently connected because you can see it says press the 3 horizontal lines to unpair. So we are currently paired, and they're in my ear. I can hear the clicking. Anyway, if you guys had if you had issues pairing connecting these, you can always factory reset these as well. Okay, if you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.